What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Flying Brian's Garage. We are already on the tractor, and we're at Mike's, and we're about to go ride. So it's kind of a last moment thing, but let's get out there and hit the trails for a little while. It's a nice day for it. He might, when we go out, it might have just been Mike's voice. He's gonna have to get used to him if he's going home with us. Mike don't live with us. He is a cute boy though. Look at him. You couldn't go with us, bud. Try to get him used to it. We apparently have a new dog. Didn't expect it, but he has nowhere to go. So I guess we're gonna foster a dog. But I'll probably show him to y'all later. He's a cute little guy. Little beagle mix type of dog. Very sweet, docile little puppy. So I figured we'd give him a home. Mike already have too many dogs, so they can't keep him. Otherwise they would. I might attempt that at some point today. Dude, I'm not even in my granny gear right now. This is the low of the high gear. I've still got 3 lower speeds. Watch this. Granny, bud. Yeah, this shit's like a granny low in an old damn square body Chevy right here. Yeah. Hey, I could probably go up through there. I don't know. I do too. Wheel won't turn. I don't think I'm going to attempt that on this. That is that'll do for this guy at least. Do what? What?
Just thought of my new goal.
What's up?
I'm going to go across there. I'm going to have to clear that out. I want to go up and over that way.
Oh, I like that. Good freaking thinking, dude. That's good. That's really good.
I know I'm going to use the taller tires for that though, because I'll never make it through this with those.
I might make it to it with this.
Possibly.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Good old John man setting bars, brother.
Yes, sir. Really, all we need to do is take that tree out and maybe that little bit right there, and then we've got it.
Yeah, get that black, I don't know if that's a rock or a stone or what.
I think that's dirt or old asphalt. Yeah, it looks like old asphalt. Yep.
That'll work. Yeah, tell me that wouldn't be cool.
No, I think so.
And then you cross right here.
The hell is this?
Then you gotta turn to the right just a hair.
Need a can opener?
I do not. Where that came from.
Huh?
That bad.
Oh.
Yeah, cross here, slight turn going up, then you gotta go left to get up around the big root over there.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, it's gonna be epic.
Yeah.
I was gonna trip where I know I'm never gonna make that hill right.
Hey, if we need some good cinder blocks.
Something back there?
Yeah. There's 1, 2, 3, 3 at least, maybe 4. They look like full cinder blocks too.
That'll work.
Yeah. If we don't use them for anything, we could add them to here to, see, cinder blocks will be good because you could add as a, something to ride on, but it still gives the water something to pass through.
Very true.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, I really want to do that.
Yeah, I like the idea. What's this?
Oh, I'm wearing these shoes up here.
Old piece of a lawnmower.
Oh, wow.
Looks like the bottom inside shroud of a push mower.
Here's the old cable line.
Oh yeah. Running through the damn creek. Ain't that a trip?
So that's gonna go.
Yep.
This one here's gonna have to go. The rest of it looks like small clearance over there.
Pretty much. Easy stuff. I love playing in the creek.
The hill I wanted to go up the other day.
Oh, it is?
Wasn't it? That was right here, wasn't it? Oh, no, it was over there.
No, it was way over there.
We got next to it.
I was about to say, if it's the one I went up, then that ain't it. I know I didn't go up that. That's a little steep for me. As y'all see, there's the angle on that. That is very steep.
It's a scooch.
Yeah.
Probably close to a 40 degree angle.
Yeah, it's pretty gnarly. Alright. I guess we're going to continue on. You know what? I might, I think I'm gonna try to go back up and see if I can go down the stairs. I'm not losing air, am I? Oh, I hope not. Dropped about, it's a little harsh. dump there. We've already got some stuff out of there. This is actually down here where I got the Johnson, 56 Johnson. And this is also where I picked up the tub for the rat rod build. Or as I should call it, a new name that I came up with, the hot knife mower. And if any of y'all know about the hot knife, GTA, Grand Theft Auto, the hot knife was the rat rod or the hot rod. So yeah, it is now the hot knife. I like that name. It's too cool. The old hot knife. Boy, she's a creeper. And not the bad one either. Over here instead. I've got John Man following me here. Oh yeah, with ease. Hop that. I'm kind of missing the beast right now, I'm not gonna lie. It's typically my most favorite off-road trail rig. Oh man, I squeezed that early. We'll let John Man go first. I'll try to squeeze through here. What do you mean? Oh. Oh no. Let's see what we're working with here.
Oh yeah, the belt came off.
Oh yeah, it did.
Okay.
So we just got to put it back on.
Stupid stick.
Yeah, I guess that stick popped you off.
I'm thinking
You're still on your clutch. Really, it's looking like wind it around. This one goes around here like this. That one just goes straight back. So now it just goes straight back to the transaxle.
I don't know where the thingy is up there.
Oh, you're gonna have to.
Do I gotta hit the clutch?
No, let's take these off right now. now you're gonna have to wind the back around the transaxle, and it's got to go above the.
Ew. Be careful, my glasses are on top of your hat.
It's got to go over the fan gear. We're gonna get this belt put back on and then get back to it. I want to take a quick second, make a new little commercial thingy, whatever you want to call it. Y'all be sure to go like the videos. YouTube likes that. Comment down below. YouTube likes that. We're still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. So if you're not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscription button and hit the all notifications bell. That way you're notified every time we put out a new video, which is at least once a week at this point. Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram. The only one that's different is these Snapchats and Avatar. The rest of them are the same profile picture as the YouTube channel. So you can go to those platforms, type in Flying Brian's Garage in the search engines. You should find me, and we post different content to those as a sneak peek to what is coming. Also, be sure, if you want to, come join us on Facebook at Flying Brian's Garage Mud and Race Mowers. We have a group where we're trying to build like-minded folk to come around and share your builds, share your ideas, and maybe even plan a get-together ride or something. So y'all be sure to check out all those things and stay tuned for the newer videos. If y'all want to check out some of the older videos, we got a bunch of stuff back there in playlists. So if you're feeling a little like in a little Flying Brian's Garage mood, y'all can go back, watch a bunch of old videos, and stay tuned for the newer ones. And let's go ahead and get back into the shenanigans of the video.
Do that with these, can't you?
Yeah? Got his belt put back on, and hey, there's a stump. There's a stump under your front left or right tire. There you go. Yeah, we got his belt put back on, so he's good now. Also trying to clear shit for us. I accidentally laid my arm on that muffler when I was under there. A little red. It burns a little bit, but hell. I guess the pain reminds us that we're still alive, so no big deal. What's a woods ride without a casualty or two anyway? Feel like I ain't used to getting hurt. That's become an everyday occurrence. We get used to those things as we go on in our journey through life. Yeah. You like Abe Lincoln cutting down the damn cherry tree and shit, or whoever the hell that was. Just don't cut yourself, Mike Bennett. You might have to build an ambulance lawnmower for his ass. Hey, I was just telling the camera I'm gonna have to build an ambulance lawnmower for you if you keep it up.
Yes.
We can wee-woo your ass out of the fucking woods.
Yeah, probably.
Damn, he's rolling. Alright, fucking ambulance mower. That's fucking hilarious. Ah! I got stuck on a tree there. got to turn around. Let's turn this behemoth around. Tree. Too busy looking at what Mike was doing. Oh yeah, that was good shit. That camera really don't do that justice. It's a little rougher than what the camera shows. But it was very good. Very good indeed, I say. So much trash down here. Kind of annoying. You should have saw the area I came up. I found a new line. It was rough as shit. Welcome. Yeah? Probably will. Oh, you weren't in my way. I was just playing. I like technical stuff. I think so. Think so? Yeah, I'm caught up a little bit. So I'm gonna do a little. Trying to hit daggum tire.
You know what I want to do?
What?
I want to cut a path right up that way.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Thanks, sir.
Okay, hang on a minute. It's a crazy ass fucking angle.
Yeah, it is. Damn it, my shifter keeps falling off. My shifter keeps falling off. Yeah, I send me all that. Oh yeah, you didn't send me none of that either. About the hills and everything yesterday. How should I have to send that to me when we get up there?
I thought I did.
No, you just sent me the pictures you took.
Oh shit.
It's okay. No big deal.
You might want to get back up to the house.
Yeah, I will. Hey, that was a pretty good line.
I didn't think that motherfucker was gonna come through there.
I'm gonna use that creek either fucking way I can, damn it.
I don't know that I could have got through there. I doubt I would have.
I don't know, maybe.
It took a lot of ground clearance to get over this last little bit. That's crazy shit.
Hey, it's pretty good though.
Oh yeah.
This whole thing's pretty good.
That little spot over there, I couldn't get through that before we welded that up. That's why I was a little hesitant.
Well, you made it.
I did.
Hell yeah.
Confidence.
Hell yeah. I'm tempted. See how deep this is. whack the tree. I love my shit. Ah. Damn it. Damn it, Ricky. You ain't supposed to hit the shit. Hey, what the fuck is that? Why is there so much lawnmower shit back here?
I don't know.
I think this is another one.
Oh, hold up. That's a goddamn mower for a boat.
Huh. Yeah, well, I'll sit inside.
Yeah.
Huh.
We're
always finding shit.
Next time on Willie Run.
For real. We dig an engine out of the dirt. I love this little technical spot right here. Anybody need a rear view mirror? Damn, Ricky. Look at John Man go.
buddy? Oh, John Man's doing work.
Got it down.
Hell yeah. There's a big old hole there.
Yes.
That-
This is a roof ridge right there. We
I see that.
might have to put some
Might have to. I think I might run up to the house, get something to drink, take a break. Oh shit. Yeah, I know.
It even looks better.
It does.
Yeah.
It looks like we got trails through here now. Mike's going up that way. Let's get out faster. Mike might have to be. I'm still a little faster than him. Not too much though. I wonder why it's backfiring. Maybe I had my foot in a little too hard.
Now that there was adventurous.
Yeah, it was.
That's some good stuff.
I might still be getting a little too much fuel. Me. I noticed when I came up the road I gave it too much gas, it started to bog down, and then as I started to get up here it started to act like it was almost running out of fuel, but it wasn't. And then as I killed it, you could hear the extra gas and the exhaust ignite.
Ooh. What's up, buddy? Hi.
Oh, this is our new addition here. What's
New
up,
shop
buddy?
puppy. For somebody.
Yeah. I don't know. I think we're getting a little too attached
I'm
already.
pretty sure we're probably set. We're just gonna
Well-
say Foster to help with his vet bills to make sure he's good, and then we're gonna go, nope, we're in love.
We got you.
Yeah.
I was telling Dari, I was like, I'm pretty sure we're at that point.
Marshall might have a friend.
I'm like, we're 75% sure here.
Sweet old boy.
And when this was the same one I texted you about this morning.
I know it was.
And you were like, Brian's gonna say no. And then when it was like,
Well,
when she started snoring, I picked up the phone. I was like, fuck it, dude, let's ride.
my financial situation says no, but my heart says yes.
We got you.
Eh. Oops. Oh, looky who's pulling up. The party just got crashed. You come to crash our party? You come to crash our party?
Yeah, well,
You must have been out cruising this thing today.
Getting a little therapy. I just got back from West Point.
Dude, it's a nice day to have the damn top down and just cruising.
And yeah, when I left here to go to West Point, it was like drizzling. So I took the FJ.
Oh, okay.
And then I got home and I bought dinner and everything else. And as I'm pulling into the drive, I had Cindy with me. I pulled into the grass. She goes, what are you doing? I said, therapy.
Looking like you dressed kind of sharp.
Yeah, well, I went and saw Mom. You don't show up at,
Understand.
No.
Understand. Well, we're going to take a break and then get back at it. Kind of wish these woods went on a little more. But but unfortunately they don't fall back as they go. Blast down the field. What's wrong with my machine? I don't know what's going on with this thing. Didn't want to start there for a moment. You might not want to follow me completely.
If you want to be impressed, watch. This one won't do that. I know you can do that before.
Alright, I think our idle is down. We need to crank that up a little bit. Alright guys, so we got an issue. It's not running right. We got to get it out of the woods. Alright. We'll try to creep it up out of here without any issues. You need a light? You can take it. Okay. Kick it down into a slow here. Pushed her a little too hard and blew something out in the carburetor, because it didn't start doing that until I pushed it too hard on the road earlier. So, thinking that was the issue. But I hope it's something simpler than that. Attempted to go up.
Yeah, mine goes good. It slides down the hill.
Oh. Straight on the trailer. I'm hoping whatever the issue is, it'll work itself out, but it started when I pushed it too hard on the road. I'm wondering if I blew something out in the carburetor. Like, damn, did I really blow a jet out or something? Maybe. Oh, he's following? You following me, buddy? You follow me, buddy? What's up? What's up, boy? You the new shop dog. Heck yeah. Well, I'm going to get this loaded up, and I guess we're going to call it a night. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go down there and leave a like. Comment down below. YouTube likes that. We like that. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that all notification bell. That way you're notified every time we put out a new video, which is once a week, sometimes twice. You can also follow the Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. We also post different things to them, which are usually just me being an idiot and hooning around. Otherwise, all the repair stuff and everything else is on YouTube. If you're feeling in the mood, you can go down and click on the YouTube channel and check out some of the playlists I made. If not, just stay tuned for the newer ones. And yeah. Oh, also, be sure to come join us on Flying Brian's Garage Mud and Race Mowers group on Facebook and share your builds and your ideas. And I think that's about it. Oh, one more. Mud Masters YouTube channel and Monkey Wrenching Mowers. Two of my friends starting out YouTube channels for mud mower content, and there's not enough of that in my opinion. So definitely be sure to go check out them guys, show them some love, subscribe to their channels, and check out some of their content. And I will see you guys on the next episode.